Hello everyone, it gives me immense joy to announce that Narayana IAS has produced successful candidates in the UPSC examination 2023, All India Rank 3, ANANYA REDDY, 493, PRUDHVIN RAJ Kumar, 545, NARENDRA PADAL, 919, SAI PRAKSH and many more are Narayana students. Narayana IAS congratulates them on their humongous success and wish them the best to excel in public service and help our country scale great heights. Dear students, if you wish to be a part of the elite IAS services, do join Narayana IAS Academy. Here, we prepare you for a 3 and 5 years of integrated course, which I am sure will help you ace the examination at a young age. At Narayana IAS Academy, we help you with the right resources, right guidance, optimum revision, regular testing for identifying the knowledge gaps and then filling them with right mentorship, and we achieve all this through meticulous planning of micro schedule. So, what are you waiting for? Come join us.